West Lafayette Community School Corporation alumni are continuing their push for racial justice reform. In a recent petition, alumni highlight policy changes they believe would help support people of color in local schools. As News 18's Balance Salavari reports, a major change they're hoping to see is the removal of school resource officers.
We're looking for a fundamental restructuring of the police department.
Many West Lafayette Community School Corporation graduates like Ila Chabe are hoping to see school resource officers, or SROs, removed from schools. They believe such officers have added a level of fear for some students in recent times.
SROs make students uncomfortable. Having a police officer in a school is going to agitate students. It's going to make them uncomfortable. You're not going to want to go to an SRO when you have an issue.
According to Chabe, alumni want officers to be replaced with social workers, psychologists, and mental health workers. She says such resources would better suit a student's needs.
Mental health counselors are far more effective in actually speaking through issues, talking to students when they have an issue, whether that's at home or in a school. All of that training makes them far more effective when dealing with students.
On Tuesday, Sheriff Bob Goldsmith announced plans to add 2 new school resource officers to their program with the Tippecanoe School Corporation. When asked about removing officers from schools, Goldsmith was against the idea.
To take the officers out of the school, in my opinion, is totally absurd.
While the department is not partnered with the West Lafayette School District, Goldsmith believes having an officer in every school is crucial, especially in the event of an emergency.
Gosh forbid it happens that we have an active shooter situation or a mass shooting at a school. They're going to want an officer there.
And Goldsmith says having an officer as a resource allows students to form special bonds with their local law enforcement.
Providing those programs and working with the kids and working with the teachers, that helps us in the future.
In Tippecanoe County, Balance Salavari, News 18.
Chabe says alumni are currently putting together a list of stories of racism students faced from SROs, staff, and other students. She says they plan to present the list within the next few weeks.